Stop making these English mistakes today. In this video, we will fix the 10 most common mistakes beginners make. If you understand these, your English will sound more natural immediately.
Yes, and we promised simple explanations and clear examples.
Mistake number 1. Saying she have instead of she has.
This is very common. Many students forget that he, she, and it need has, not have.
For example, don't say, she have a car.
Say she has a car, just add the S sound. It is small but very important.
Remember, I have, you have, we have, they have.
But he has, she has, it has. Easy rule. Just practice it every day.
Mistake number 2. Saying he don't like coffee.
Ouch, that sounds wrong. It should be he doesn't like coffee.
Again, with he, she, and it, we add doesn't, not don't.
So say she doesn't understand, not she don't understand.
This mistake happens because in many languages, verbs do not change like this.
But in English, small changes matter a lot.
Fix these 2 mistakes, and you already sound better.
Yes, and we are just getting started.
Mistake number 3. Saying I am agree.
That is very common. But agree is a verb, not an adjective.
So do not say I am agree.
Say, I agree, simple and correct.
If you want to use am, you need an adjective.
For example, I am happy, but agree is an action.
Mistake number 4. Saying I have 25 years.
This comes from Spanish and other languages.
In English, we do not say have for age.
We say I am 25 years old.
So remember, age uses to be, not to have.
She is 30, not she has 30.
These mistakes are very common for beginners.
But now you know the rule.
Practice saying the correct sentences out loud.
Your mouth needs practice, not only your brain.
Mistake number 5. Saying people is friendly.
No, people is plural.
So we say, people are friendly.
Always uses are with people.
Many students think people is singular.
But it already means many persons.
Mistake number 6. Confusing much and many.
This one is tricky for beginners.
Use many with countable nouns.
For example, many books, many friends, many ideas.
Use much with uncountable nouns.
Much water, much time, much money.
Do not say, much people.
Say many people.
These small words change everything.
Yes, small grammar, big difference.
Mistake number 7. Saying I am boring.
That changes the meaning completely.
If you say I am boring, it means you are not interesting.
But most students want to say I am bored.
Bored describes how you feel.
Boring describes something else.
So say, I am bored at home.
And this movie is boring.
Mistake number 8. Saying explain me.
That sounds strange in English.
We say, explain to me.
Always add to after explain when using a person.
So do not say, explain me the problem.
Say, explain the problem to me.
Prepositions are small but powerful.
Yes, never ignore them.
Mistake number 9. Saying more better.
Double comparison. That is wrong.
We say better, not more better.
Because better already means more good.
Same with worse.
Do not say more worse.
Mistake number 10. Saying I go yesterday.
That is present tense with past time.
If you say yesterday, use past tense.
Say, I went yesterday.
Time words help you choose the verb tense.
Yesterday, last week, last year used past tense.
English needs correct tense to be clear.
Wrong tense can confuse people.
Now you know the top 10 mistakes.
But why are they so easy to make?
These mistakes are common because your brain translates from your first language.
Yes, your brain wants comfort.
Many languages do not change verbs like English.
So adding S feels strained.
Also, English has many small words.
Prepositions, articles, small endings.
Small words are hard to hear.
So students forget them.
Another reason is fear of speaking.
When you feel nervous, you forget rules.
Practice reduces fear.
Repetition builds confidence.
Mistakes are normal in learning.
Every fluent speaker made them before.
The key is correction and awareness.
Now let's talk about how to avoid them.
Tip number 1. Speak slowly.
Speed creates mistakes.
Tip number 2. Practice out loud.
Your mouth needs training.
Tip number 3. Focus on one mistake at a time.
Do not try to fix everything today.
Tip number 4. Listen to native speakers.
Copy their rhythm and structure.
Tip number 5. Record yourself speaking.
You will hear your mistakes clearly.
Tip number 6. Study patterns, not only words.
Grammar patterns repeat.
Improvement is not magic. It is practice.
Small daily progress creates big results.
If this helped you, subscribe and practice with us every week.
Comment below which mistake you make the most. Let's fix it together.